Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best gemstone globes that are available on the market for their true quality. These globes are perfect for elevating your home or office decor while showcasing intricate craftsmanship. You can find product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Unique Art 6-inch tall blue lapis ocean mini tabletop gemstone world globe with copper tripod. This globe stands out with its heavy zinc alloy frame and polished finish, ensuring that it's built to last for generations. The globe features semi-precious stones sourced from around the world, capturing a stunning range of colors and textures. One unique benefit is its removable globe design, which allows for versatility, whether as a centerpiece or a festive decorative piece during holidays. In terms of design, the copper tripod offers a warm, elegant touch that complements the deep blue lapis ocean tones. The craftsmanship is impeccable, with hand-cut stones meticulously placed to form the map. User reviews praise the globe's durability and timeless aesthetic, making it ideal for both collectors and those looking for unique office decor. However, the 3-inch diameter might feel a bit small for some users who prefer larger globes for display. This product offers great value at $48. Especially considering its intricate design and lasting build. While it's not the most affordable option on this list, it's perfect for someone who values artistry and wishes to make a statement with their decor. Pros include its removable globe functionality and high-quality materials, while cons would be its smaller size relative to other options. Moving on to rank number 4, we have the Unique Art 6-inch by Blue Lapis Ocean Mini Tabletop Gemstone World Globe with gold tripod. This globe is crafted with semi-gemstones and features a heavy zinc alloy frame that's corrosion-resistant. Like its copper counterpart, the globe has a polished acrylic resin finish to protect its surface and enhance its longevity. The 3-inch diameter globe sits atop a gold tripod stand, which adds a touch of sophistication to any room. The design and build quality are solid, with a vibrant blue lapis ocean tone that's both calming and eye-catching. The globe is handcrafted, so minor imperfections in polish or alignment may be present, but these are part of its charm. It's well-suited for collectors or those seeking affordable luxury decor. However, it's worth noting that its small size limits its ability to be a visual centerpiece in larger spaces. Priced at $42.11. This globe is slightly more expensive than the budget option, but still accessible. It's ideal for someone who wants a decorative piece with rich colors and a classy gold frame. Pros include its corrosion-resistant build and elegant gold tripod, while cons are its small size and occasional minor imperfections due to its handmade nature. At rank number 3, we have the Unique Art 6-inch tall Bahama Blue Swirl Pearl Ocean Mini Tabletop Gemstone World Globe with gold tripod. This globe features a vibrant Bahama blue swirl design, accented by a gold tripod stand, which gives it a breezy yet elegant look. Made with semi-precious gemstones from across the globe, this piece is handcrafted with exceptional attention to detail. The acrylic resin finish not only protects the surface, but also enhances the shine and durability of the globe. The design is both compact and striking, making it a great addition to desks, shelves, or smaller spaces. Weighing just over a pound, it's lightweight yet sturdy, thanks to its zinc alloy frame. User reviews highlight its polished finish and charming color composition, making it a favorite for those seeking a decorative globe without breaking the bank. However, like other smaller globes, its size may not appeal to those looking for larger display pieces. Priced at $41.85, this globe is an excellent value for its craftsmanship and aesthetic appeal. It's perfect for individuals looking to add a touch of coastal charm to their decor. Pros include its lightweight design and vibrant ocean tones, while cons are its small diameter and limited visual impact in larger rooms. Coming in at rank number 2 is the budget-friendly Unique Art 3-inch Pink Pearl Swirl Ocean Gemstone World Globe Paperweight. This globe is made with crushed freshwater pearl powder, giving the ocean areas a soft pink shimmer. Hand-cut and placed stones form the continents, showcasing a delicate and intricate design. The acrylic resin finish ensures the surface can be polished multiple times over its lifetime, making it a durable and lasting choice. Its compact, 3-inch diameter makes it ideal as a paperweight or small decorative piece for desks, bookshelves, or offices. Despite its affordability, the craftsmanship is surprisingly meticulous, and the pink pearl swirl design adds a fresh and unique aesthetic. Users have praised its lightweight build and polished finish, though some note that its small size limits its impact as a display piece. Priced at just $38, this globe is perfect for those on a budget who still want a quality gemstone product. It's particularly suited for gifting or as a subtle accent piece. Pros include its affordable price and delicate pink pearl design, while cons are its small size and limited functionality beyond decoration. Finally, at rank number 1, we have the premium unique art 10-inch tall tabletop blue Lapis ocean gemstone world globe with 4-leg gold stand. This globe is a masterpiece featuring semi-precious stones like lapis lazuli, mother of pearl, amethyst, and turquoise. The 6-inch diameter globe sits atop a robust gold stand with 4 legs, making it a stunning centerpiece for any room. The craftsmanship is truly remarkable, with hand-cut, glued, and polished gemstones forming the map. Minor imperfections, such as uneven polishes or surface lines, add character to this handmade piece. The design is bold and luxurious, perfect for collectors or those seeking a statement piece. Its 3.9-pound weight and sturdy gold frame ensure durability, while the lacquered and polished finish enhances its visual appeal. Users rave about the vibrant colors and intricate detailing, though its price point may deter more budget-conscious buyers. At $119.87, this globe is the most expensive option on the list, but its quality and craftsmanship justify the price. It's ideal for collectors or anyone looking to invest in a premium decorative item. Pros include its large size, luxurious design, and stunning gemstone detailing, while cons are its high price and minor imperfections inherent in handmade products. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.